crafters, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make something super easy, Barbie rug. Basically you can use any measurement you like, but I think this size is perfect for my Barbie. Then as the material I choose canvas fabric that thick, heavy and rather stiff. Then as the edge finishing, I'm using small ribbon and fringe lace. So, because this fabric is thick enough and I'm too lazy to sew it, I'm just gonna glue it. Trust me, it's secure enough. Let's continue to decorate it using plastic stencil sheet. You can find it easily at online store. The second thing is fabric marker, so your rug will be washable. First, let's mark every middle part of your rug using pencil, just to make sure that you're drawing a symmetrical pattern. Then, secure your sheet using a tape. And let's start the fun part. You can draw any design you like. So, which one do you like? Your Barbie like my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below, and see you in my other video. Bye.